Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some salt mackerel fritters. And here are my ingredients. I have some flour, some orange bell pepper, scallion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, chopped up or really minced up onion, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Now here I'm going to I have half of salt mackerel and I'm going to scald it off. So I'm pouring some hot water. I put it in the pot and I'm pouring some hot water on it, and I'm just going to allow that to boil up, and I'm only doing that one time. Okay, so while that is boiling, here I'm putting my oil to be preheated, right? So here my salt mackerel start bubbling, it's bubbling away, and I'm going to throw off that water and then get some cold water on it, right? Just to cool it down. So I did all of that and throw off the cold water, of course, and then this is what I have right here. So now I am going to pull it apart, pick it up, take out all the bones that I can get, right? Yes, this is a little bit, it's not really tedious, but guess what? If you're not used to it, then it can seem tedious, right? But yeah, we love work though. Yes, we love to work. So let's get to working. So try to take out the bone, try to tear it apart, not make them too big unless you want big salt mackerel in your fritters, right? But yes, just try to get out the bone and then just kind of tear them up, get them into small pieces. And see, take off the sides right there, because who want to bite into them fritters and there is just one bag of bone in there? Nobody don't like that, because when you're biting your fritters, you don't really want to be stopping. You just want to gobble it down. Yes. So yes. And Vibes fam, for some part of it, I did not, for most of it I didn't use the skin, right? But so if I tear it and the skin stay on it and it seem firm and stay good, I keep the skin, but otherwise I throw away the skin. So here it is all done. This is the size that I got it to, a nice little size, so even when I stir it, it don't mash up too much. So here I have some flour. I think this is 2 cups of flour, and I am also going in with my chopped up onion. Now I chop up the onion really fine because I don't want, when I bite into my fritters, I taste it. But if you don't care, do your thing. So I added the green bell pepper or green sweet pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper, and now I'm adding the red sweet pepper, right? And then I'm going in with the green. Now guess what? If you don't have all the colors, that is fine. Use what you have. And here I'm going in with some scallion or green onions. And of course, the star of the show, come true, salt mackerel. Yes, you are so ready for this contraption. Throw it in there, dash it in there, because we are excited. And now we are going in with some water. Yes, water. So guys, drink some water. Make sure you're all hydrated and ready, right? Yes, so we're trying to get this to a nice little thick, fluffy body consistency. So we're adding water. Take your time and add the water, because Vibes fam, we do not want to drown this flour. No, we don't. So it's better you take your little time and you add some water, then you mix, and then you pour, and then you add. That's better, right? Than to just go and you throw 1 bucket of water and then when you look, all of your flour dead out. That can't work, right? So yes, go ahead and stir. And this is looking very close, right? I like what I'm seeing. Yes, look at that. Okay, so here I'm adding some black pepper, right? Because even though I have the scotch bonnet pepper in there, by the way, Vibes fam, be careful with the scotch bonnet pepper and the seed. Remember the heat mostly in the seed, so just add less seed if you don't want your thing to be too peppery. So here I'm showing you it up close. Stir, girl, stir, spin, yes, lift and show. Look at the consistency. Okay, and here it is, Vibes fam, all done. And now here I'm going to be making, first I'm going in with the adult fritters because I am a family woman, so I do all sizes. So because me love family, I am doing family fritters. So me have adults, me have children, right? Me have grandma, me have grandpa. I mean, I just have everybody, just be representing, right? So yes, go ahead and drop your fritters to the desired size that you want. I felt like making some big one first, right? So I did the big ones. And here they are. Zoom in, girl. Zoom right in. Yes, look on them. By the way, medium heat, vibes some. But yes, so you fry them until they are golden brown. Look at the browning. Come through, caramelized body, golden body. Yes, that is you. So yes, after it gets this nice color, you flip them over, and so the other side can get that beautiful color too, right? Yes, that's what we're doing. So look at it. Beautiful, just beautiful. The others aren't ready, so I leave those to get brown and nice too. And here they are. They are ready, so we are going to flippity flip them over and let them soak too. So yes, Vibes fam, when they are done, we are gonna take them out. Look at it. Oh, you so beautiful. You is so beautiful. Yes, and you guys see the sweet peppers peeking out. Peek. So yes, this is the last one of the adult size. And now we are going to do the children. Hey, little one. So Vibe Sam, now I'm using one of those big spoon. It's not a soup spoon. It pass a soup spoon, you know. Yes, and I'm dropping the little ones. Hey, children. Hey, little ones. Hey, grandma. Because you know, grandma normally just lick like nice, yeah? Oh, is that a baby? Oh, hey, baby. So Vibe some drop them to the desired size that you like. Oh yeah, drop back a little more one on that one. No, Vibe some, look how them pretty. This is the last one, right? I flipped it over and we're going to let them continue to fry. Vibe some, aren't they beautiful? They look so good. Look at that beautiful golden color. Yes, that is what you want. You don't want them to be white. You know, you want them to have a nice little tan. You know that they have been sun-kissed, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just putting them all around the edge because in the middle right there of the pot is very hot, right? So just have them on the side. And when they are done soaking, now we are going to take them out and Vibe some. Look at this beautifulness. Tell me, do you want to taste? Would you want one with a cup of tea? And Vibes fam, here we have it. Look at these beautiful fritters. Now Vibes fam, guess what? They are the star of the show. So I use the smallest plate possible that they can fit in, right? Though someone would say they are not fitting because they are just so small, them so tight up on the plate. But Vibes fam, they are the star. I wanted you to see them in all their glory. Hey, yes. Look at sweet pepper. Look at salt mackerel. Vibes fam, do you see the salt mackerel peeping through? Do you see it? Yes, I see it. And can I tell you about the taste? It tastes splendacious. When I tell you, it's just all kind of gloriousness taking place with your taste buds. I mean, oh, I don't have words. VYBZ FAM, it is amazing. You should try it. Try it and let me know how it turns out for you. And if you like it, VYBZ FAM, it is amazing. So don't forget to like. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share my channel, please, and subscribe. God bless you so much. Thank you.